Hey everyone, it's Pure Star Dragon, and I'm doing my video for the first week, and the theme is 5 cool / interesting things in your room. And yeah, I guess I should hop right to it then. So this is my Figima Mikasa figure. It's pretty cool. I mean, yeah, it has lots of articulation. I can change the hands and the positions and the face and what she's wearing. It's pretty cool. I really like it. And if you don't know, she's from an anime that I watch called Attack on Titan. Next we have my Sasha little chibi figure. She's from the same anime. She's my favorite character and it's really cool. She has like a little cape and she has a little stand. I had to put tack so she wouldn't fall off. A poster that my sister got at a convention, of course, from another anime called Fullmetal Alchemist. Sorry, but I just have to show you how it's fabric. And it's like this scroll, so it would be really good if I moved or something. And yeah, I just like it because it looks really awesome. I know this next one sounds really stupid, but it's my alarm clock. Partially because it has radio that I can listen to like get me down into a relaxing mood before I go to bed, and it's very useful in the morning when I have to go to school early. Next is this really cool like roof decoration. I'm not gonna say where I got it, but it's pretty cool and I really like it. Like it has mini mirrors in the middle of the stars, and it's green and blue, which are one of my 2 favorite colors. Thank you so much for watching this boring video I made, and be sure to subscribe to the 7 Webbykins, because we have lots of cool KinsTubers on this channel.